Pregnancy is one of the most incredible journeys a woman can experience. From the very first moment of conception to the miracle of birth, your body and your baby go through amazing transformations. In this video, we'll walk through every stage, what happens to your baby, the changes you'll feel, and practical tips to make the journey a little smoother. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll also share some essential advice every expecting mom should know. First trimester, weeks 1 to 12. The first trimester often comes with surprises since many women don't even realize they're pregnant until a few weeks in. Inside your body, the fertilized egg becomes an embryo, and by week 6, your baby's tiny heart is already beating. By week 10, little arms, legs, and facial features begin to form. For moms, this is usually the toughest part. Nausea, morning sickness, fatigue, and mood swings are all common. Here are some helpful tips. Take prenatal vitamins with folic acid. Book your first doctor's appointment. And if nausea is tough, try eating small, frequent meals instead of big ones. Second trimester, weeks 13 to 27. Now comes the golden trimester. Morning sickness usually fades, your energy returns, and your baby bump starts to show. Your baby is growing quickly by week 20. You might even find out their gender. You'll start feeling tiny kicks, and your baby's fingerprints and senses begin forming. As for you, glowing skin and shiny hair are common, though some moms also experience back pain as the belly grows. A few tips for this stage. Stay active with safe exercises like walking or prenatal yoga. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Calcium, iron, and protein are especially important. And bond with your baby by talking, singing, or playing soft music. Third trimester, weeks 28 to 40. The final stretch. In these last weeks, your baby is preparing for life outside the womb. The lungs are maturing, the brain is developing rapidly, and your baby even practices breathing movements. For moms, this stage can be uncomfortable. You might experience backaches, swollen feet, frequent trips to the bathroom, and practice contractions called Braxton Hicks. Here are some tips. Pack your hospital bag early. Discuss your birth plan with your doctor, and rest whenever possible. Sleep will soon become a luxury. Labor and delivery. Finally, the big day arrives. Signs of labor include regular contractions, your water breaking, and pressure in the lower back. There are 3 main stages of labor: early labor, when the cervix begins to open; active labor, when contractions intensify; and delivery, when it's time to push and meet your baby. After birth, there's a final stage called the afterbirth, when the placenta is delivered. Every birth story is unique. Some women choose natural birth, others use pain relief like an epidural, and sometimes a C-section is the safest option. What matters most is a healthy mom and a healthy baby. Pregnancy is a journey full of ups and downs, but each step brings you closer to the moment you'll hold your baby for the very first time. Remember, no 2 pregnancies are exactly alike. What's most important is taking care of yourself, leaning on your support system, and trusting your body's incredible ability to bring new life into the world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with other moms-to-be. For more pregnancy and motherhood tips, check out our playlist linked below. Thanks for watching. If you want a healthy pregnancy, subscribe to Healthy Mommy Life, and congratulations on your journey to motherhood.